Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, let's see. May chance ba na mag-reach out yung person na iniisip mo by June? Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception Flight. Okay? And yes, kung meron pong tanong, oo, pagdating sa healer, yan. Sino po ba? Meron ba kayong kilala? Yan. Si Kuya Dingsi po. Okay? Message lang kayo sa kanya. Ito po yung kanyang FB page. Don't forget to follow. Okay? So, yun lang. And syempre, oo, pagdating sa ating mga items, evil eye items. Okay, all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Merong initial. Okay, ito po yung may initial. Excuse me. So, available in red and black strings. Okay, so dalawa yung bracelet po natin ha. Okay, so ito yung isa. Ito naman is garterized. Okay, garterized. Pero yes, same unisex. Okay, mga pababae, mga palalaki, pwede. Okay, and yung ating evil eye ring, adjustable, non-tarnish, and hypoallergenic. Okay, so yan siya. And yung ating evil eye necklace. Okay, so ganun din, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Okay, right here. Okay, so, yes, dalawa pong necklace natin, ha. Yung isa is See the Granter. Excuse me. See the Granter is para sa mga kahilingan. Okay, sa mga wini-wish nyo. May chance kasi na pwede siya yung makagrant. Tulong para makagrant. Okay, so may mga gandang feedback si Granter. Check nyo lang po sa ating FB page na Fias Tarot. And yeah, and made to order po si Granter necklace. Okay? So, open na po, no? Ulit, yung mga gustong magpagawa ng The Granter. Ngayong week kasi, okay, start na akong magkuha ulit ng order ngayon hanggang maybe Friday. Okay? Kasi, by next week, by next Saturday, doon ko na po siya ulit isi-ship. Yung mga, oo. So, bukas meron tayong shipment. So, kung sino man yung mga nakakuha, naka-order ng granter ng mga nakaraan, nakahabol naman yung mga yon. Okay? Excuse me. So, kung may tanong pa, message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, let's start. May chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung taong iniisip mo by June? Aries. May chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung taong iniisip mo by June? The Five of Pentacles in reverse. Look, okay, the Fool in reverse. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Pwedeng past person mo to. Yung iba naman dito, pwedeng may issue patungkol sa pera. Okay? So, there. Next. Yes, mabilisan lang. Taurus. Okay, so may chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung taong iniisip mo, Taurus? Okay. May chance ba na mag-reach out? The Emperor in reverse. The Three of Cups. I think, yeah, may chance rin. Okay, pero walang magandang plano. Yeah, ganun lang, like, siguro, short term lang to. Like, kumustahan, parang ganyan. Anyway, yun lang naman ang tanong natin kung mag-reach out sila by June. And yeah, may chance. Okay, iba sa inyo, pwedeng tatay mo to. Or someone na hinihintay mo dahil meron kang application sa work. Okay, yeah, that's specific. Okay, pero if this is your person, okay, may chance. Mag-reach out ng June. Okay? Next is Gemini. Okay. Gemini. May chance ba na mag-reach out yung taong iniisip mo by June? The Queen of Cups. Oops. The Seven of Pentacles. I think, itong taong to, hindi ito mag-reach out. Hindi siya mag-reach out. Siya ang naghihintay na ikaw ang mag-reach out. Pwedeng water sign, earth sign. Okay? Wala eh. Todo hintay to. Hindi ito magre-reach out. Masyadong soft. Itong taong to. Anyway. So there. Next. Cancer. Okay. Yan. Okay. Cancer. May chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung taong iniisip mo by June? Excuse me. Two of Wands in reversed. Strength. The High Priestess. Yeah. May chance. Pwedeng may mga ma-open up. Okay? Meron ditong pagbuo na pwedeng mangyari. Okay, by June. Yeah. Yun lang naman ang tanong. Magre-reach out ba? Yes. Okay, there's effort. Yeah. Pwedeng Leo, pwedeng malakas ang fire sign. Next is Leo. May chance ba na mag-reach out yung person na iniisip mo by June? Hierophant in reversed. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. This is a no, a big no. Yeah, you have unfinished business with this person. Some of them, pwedeng merong issue sa pera. Or meron kayong issue sa pera ng taong ito. Okay? May mga commitment to sa'yo eh. Pero, nakakuha ko dito na, may mga taong may utang sa'yo, Leo, no? Pero by June, hindi ka pa rin mababayaran nito eh. Yes. Okay? Excuse me. So, kung person mo naman yon, wala rin ako nakikita. Okay? So, I think parang wala na eh. Kung sino man yon. Okay? Next. Virgo. May chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung person na iniisip mo, Virgo? May chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo by June? Oh. 6 of Cups. Okay. And the 5 of Cups universe. May mangyayaring hindi lang reaching out. Okay, may mangyayaring pakikipagbalikan by June sa mga Virgo with a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? May makikipagbalikan but this is a repeat. Okay? So, simulan mo na mag-heal. Virgo. Okay? Libra. Okay, Libra. May chance ba na mag-reach out yung person na iniisip mo by June? May chance ba na mag-reach out yung person na iniisip mo by June? The Magician in reversed. Why? The Ace of Cups. Okay, some of them may chance na yes. Okay. Pero there's manipulation here. Okay? Yeah. Pero they will give you offer like a new beginning. Okay? Some of you specific. Ito po ay specific. Virgo. Yan ang nakikita ko. Virgo. May chance na hindi mag-reach out yung Virgo. Okay? Kasi some of them pwedeng meron ng iba. Kung romantic. Okay? Kung romantic. Andun yung sabihin nating hindi na ganoon kasolid, no? Yung kagustuhan ng taong to na mag-reconnect sa'yo Okay? So, there. Next. Scorpio. So, may chance ba na mag-reach out yung tao na iniisip mo? Excuse me. By June. May chance ba? The Two of Cups. There's offering. The Five of Cups in reverse. Ooh. Okay. So, I think, ang nakuha ko dito is yes. Okay? Some of them, they're hopeful, no? Pagdating sa, they're planning ngayon pa lang. They're planning na by June, mag-reach out ako kay Scorpio. Parang ganon. Pero, handa rin naman itong taong to kung hindi mo sila tatanggapin. Okay? Handa rin naman sila. Okay, pwedeng water sign like you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, Sag. Okay. Let's see. Mag-reach out ba yung person na iniisip mo by June, Sag? The Six. Oh. Okay. The Six of Pentacles in reverse and the Three of Swords. This is a big no. This is a big no, Sag. Yeah. At talagang ipagdasal mo na huwag na lang talagang mag-reach out to. Sasaktan ka nito ng malala. Yung iba sa kanila, merong kakonek. Okay, may kakonek na ngayon. Yes. Okay, so pwedeng earth sign, pwedeng air sign. Next, Capricorn. Capricorn, may chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung person na iniisip mo by June? The Nine of Wands in reverse. Someone will guard down. Nakaka-intriga to. It's like bahala na. Yeah, bahala na. Kung makikita ka niya, maybe, like, depende to sa kung anong sitwasyon mo meron ka. If you're open, then okay. If you're not, then hindi. Woo! Yes. May takot kasi siya eh. Yeah, may takot to. Yung iba sa kanila, may mali. May mali sa sitwasyon nyo. Okay? Pero communication talaga, kung masabing komunikasyon lang, madali eh. Pero kung relasyon, mahirap. Okay? Next. Aquarius. So, may chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung person na iniisip mo by June? May chance ba? Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Oh, no. No. Some of them, they're too busy. Excuse me. Yeah, they're too busy. Yeah. Some of them, pwedeng businessman, businesswoman. Okay. Some of them, di pa rin nakaka-let go. They're still in pain. Oo. Okay. Pwedeng may separation nga kayo ng taong to ngayon. Unfinished business. Okay. So, I think parang nilalayuan ka ng taong to eh sa pamamagitan ng pagiging busy niya. Yeah. Pwedeng air sign like you. Okay. And Capricorn. Next, Pisces. May chance ba, Pisces, na mag-reach out sa'yo? Yung person na iniisip mo by June. Excuse me. Queen of Swords. Okay. The Two of Wands universe. Excuse me. Okay, so the Queen of Swords. This is silence. Detaching. Okay, pero ay sorry. Two of Wands in reversed. I think they're open. They're open. So, parang ikaw ang kailangan mag-reach out sa kanya. Parang ganon. Sabi na, Pisces, na. Eh di hindi. 'Di ba? Ikaw ang inihintay ng taong ito. Takot to eh. Kung makikipag-ayos ka sa kanya. Yeah. Swerte na niya kung gagawin mo yon. Yes. Pero kung silang magre-reach out, bahag na bahag ang buntot ng taong ito. Ano po yun? Takot. Okay? So, there. Yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yes. So, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-share, mag-like. Okay? Hindi yung nood-nood lang. Okay. So, oo naman. So, again, yeah, I appreciate you all. Oo. Thank you. Goodbye.